They need more equity, they need more services.
A call out for help in a time of need.
Youth in Canada are in crisis. That affects us all.
Kids Help Phone launching a fundraising campaign so it can help more struggling youth. That, as the organization says, it's dealing with double the number of people as before the pandemic.
We are seeing right now our young people really worried about the state of the world.
Others will be because they engaged in more problematic internet use during the pandemic.
Those pressures have been compounded by lockdowns and isolation. Stats Canada's numbers show just over 40% of Canadian youth between 15 and 24 years reported excellent or very good mental health in 2020. Compare that with 62% in 2018.
There's a feeling of helplessness.
What hasn't kept pace with the increase in need? The resources, especially in schools.
You have a student who will disclose to a staff member that they might harm themselves, and you get them into emergency care, and they're back at school the next day, and they're waiting 3 months to see somebody.
Left up to circumstance.
As a result, this high school student started her own organization, connecting peers with counselors virtually when a friend reached out for help and couldn't find any.
It breaks my heart in a sense when I see that so many people are in a situation where this help is something that they rely on.
A big part of the problem, training.
It's really expensive to train clinicians, future clinicians. There's not a lot of spots, and it requires government funding.
A long-standing issue with a new sense of urgency. Lisa Shing, CBC News, Toronto.